Hey guys, I'm back in the car for another on the road taste test. I have here some Wendy's. This is this is the pretzel bacon hamburger. It's supposed to have beer cheese and little onion crispies. So let's go ahead. Ooh, their little crispies came out already. Take a look at this. It doesn't look too bad. Much better than some of their other burgers I usually get. A little small, but let's give this a taste test. Glad the pretzel bun is soft. It's actually pretty good. Like I said, the bun is soft. It's not hard. Like I've had pretzel burger before, and the bun is really hard. So it being soft is nice. Taste is pretty good. The cheese sauce is definitely tasty. I don't taste any beer. I don't drink beer. I don't like beer. So yeah, I can't taste if there's any beer flavor because I'm not really sure what that is tasting like. I know it doesn't taste bad. So any bad flavoring I know that beer tastes like, at least the beer I've tried. It's good. Let's see how much this was. I got a medium combo, so that was $9.28. It was like $5 or $6 or something for the burger itself. Of course, I needed a drink to wash this tasty burger down. But no, it's good. Worth it. Price is a little expensive to me. I'm someone that would usually go to the value menu. But no, I think it's pretty good for what it is. It's got some decent flavor. Wish it was a little bigger maybe for the price. But no, it's worth it. Probably, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, the sauce is good. Of course, they don't give me napkins, bastards. So yeah, pretzel bacon pub burger is pretty good. A little pricey in my opinion, but it's pretty good. Anyway, that's all for now. Y'all have a good day.